Did you know that the air inside your home can be up to 5 times more polluted than the air outside? While you're worrying about outdoor pollution, the air in your living room might be quietly sabotaging your health. Welcome back to Don't Do This Guide, the channel where we show you what not to do so you can do it right. Today, we're diving into the world of houseplants that not only beautify your space, but also purify the air you breathe. Stick around, because your home is about to get a whole lot fresher. Indoor air pollution is often an invisible threat. Let's begin with a plant that sparks so much joy for me, the snake plant. Known for its striking appearance and ability to thrive on neglect, the snake plant is a true air-purifying champion. Imagine this. While you sleep, the snake plant diligently absorbs toxins like formaldehyde and benzene, often found in common household products. Placing a snake plant in your bedroom can promote better sleep and a sense of tranquility. So welcome a snake plant into your home and feel the joy of knowing that it's not only beautiful, but also working hard to keep your air clean and fresh. Next, we have the spider plant, a plant that embodies the spirit of generosity. It multiplies with ease, producing spiderets that can be shared with friends and loved ones, spreading joy and cleaner air. This resilient plant is not only easy to care for, but also excels at removing carbon monoxide and other toxins from the air. Place a spider plant in your kitchen, where it can help purify the air of cooking fumes and odors. So, embrace the generosity of the spider plant and allow it to bring both beauty and cleaner air into your home. Now, let's talk about a plant that embodies peace and tranquility, the peace lily. With its elegant white blooms and air-purifying qualities, the peace lily is a true embodiment of serenity. Imagine this. As you relax in your living room, the peace lily diligently filters out toxins like formaldehyde and ammonia, replacing them with fresh, clean air. The peace lily thrives in low-light conditions, making it a perfect choice for bedrooms or living areas where natural light is limited. So invite the elegant peace lily into your home and experience the joy of breathing cleaner air in a more serene and harmonious environment. Next, we have a plant that's not only beautiful but also incredibly practical, the aloe vera. Known for its healing properties, aloe vera is a must-have for any home. Imagine this. You accidentally burn yourself while cooking. Instead of reaching for a chemical-laden cream, you simply snip off a piece of aloe vera, apply its gel to the burn, and feel instant soothing relief. Place an aloe vera plant in your bathroom, where it can thrive in the humid environment and help purify the air of harsh chemicals from cleaning products. So, welcome the versatile aloe vera into your home and experience the joy of cleaner air and natural healing properties. Let's explore the captivating English ivy, a plant that embodies growth and adaptability. With its trailing vines and air-purifying qualities, English ivy brings a touch of nature's elegance to any space. This remarkable plant is incredibly effective at reducing airborne fecal matter and mold, making it the perfect choice for bathrooms, kitchens, or any area prone to dampness. Hang a pot of English ivy near your shower, or place it on a shelf where its vines can cascade gracefully, adding a touch of greenery and freshness to the space. So embrace the versatility of English ivy and allow its air-purifying qualities to transform your home into a breath of fresh air. Next, we have a plant that evokes a sense of tranquility and escape, the bamboo palm. This beautiful plant is not just a visual delight, but also a symbol of peace and relaxation. With its slender stems and graceful fronds, the bamboo palm brings a touch of the tropics to your home, creating a serene and inviting atmosphere. Imagine the gentle rustle of its leaves as a soft breeze flows through your living space, transporting you to a tropical paradise. The bamboo palm, a natural humidifier, is hard at work, filtering out toxins like benzene, trichloroethylene, and formaldehyde, often found in carpets and furniture. This makes it an excellent choice for improving indoor air quality, ensuring that you and your loved ones breathe cleaner, healthier air. Place a bamboo palm in a well-lit corner of your living room or bedroom, where it can bask in indirect sunlight and purify the air as it grows. Its presence not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your home, but also contributes to a healthier living environment. So invite the bamboo palm into your home and experience the joy of breathing cleaner, more humidified air in a more serene and tropical-inspired environment. Let this elegant plant be a constant reminder of nature's beauty and its ability to transform your living space into a peaceful retreat. Now let's delve into the lush world of the Boston fern, a plant that embodies vibrancy and life. With its cascading fronds and air-purifying prowess, the Boston fern brings a touch of nature's exuberance to any indoor space. This lush plant releases moisture into the air, creating a more comfortable and breathable environment. Hang a Boston fern in a well-lit spot, like near a window, and let its cascading fronds create a waterfall of green serenity. So, welcome the refreshing Boston fern into your home and let it transform your space into a haven of clean, humidified air and vibrant greenery. Let's brighten things up with the Gerbera Daisy, a plant that embodies joy and positivity. With its vibrant blooms and air-purifying abilities, the Gerbera Daisy is sure to bring a smile to your face. These cheerful flowers are also hard at work cleaning the air, removing benzene and trichloroethylene, often found in dry cleaning and some paints. Place a pot of Gerbera Daisies on your desk or coffee table, where their vibrant colors can brighten your day, and their air-purifying qualities can create a healthier and more inviting atmosphere. So welcome the cheerful Gerbera Daisy into your home and experience the joy of breathing cleaner air in a brighter and more cheerful space. Get ready to be amazed by the Chrysanthemum, a plant that embodies beauty and strength. With its stunning blooms and remarkable air-purifying abilities, the chrysanthemum is a true force of nature. Chrysanthemums filter out a wide range of toxins, including ammonia, benzene, formaldehyde, and xylene, making them true champions of clean air. Place a pot of chrysanthemums in your entryway or living room, where their vibrant presence can greet guests and their air-purifying qualities can create a healthier and more welcoming atmosphere. So, welcome the powerful chrysanthemum into your home and experience the joy of breathing cleaner air in a more beautiful and invigorating environment. Finally, let's escape to paradise with the Ureka Palm, a plant that embodies elegance and tranquility. This tropical beauty is not just a visual delight, but also a symbol of peace and relaxation. With its feathery fronds and air-purifying prowess, the Ureka Palm brings a touch of the tropics to your home, creating a serene and inviting atmosphere. Its lush green leaves sway gently, adding a sense of movement and life to any room. The Ureka Palm, a natural humidifier, is hard at work, filtering out toxins like xylene and toluene, often found in paints, varnishes, and nail polish remover. This makes it an excellent choice for improving indoor air quality, ensuring a healthier living space. Place an Ureka Palm in a well-lit corner of your living room or bedroom, where it can bask in indirect sunlight and purify the air as it grows. Its presence not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your home, but also contributes to a more comfortable and breathable environment. So, invite the Ureka Palm into your home and experience the joy of breathing cleaner, more humidified air in a more serene and tropical-inspired environment. Let this elegant plant transform your living space into a peaceful retreat where you can unwind and enjoy the benefits of nature indoors. Now that we've covered these fantastic plants, let's talk about some tips for maximizing their air-purifying benefits. These tips will help you get the most out of your green companions and ensure that your home remains a sanctuary of clean, fresh air. Quantity matters. For significant air purification, NASA recommends having at least one plant per 100 square feet of space. This means that in a typical living room, you might need several plants to really notice a difference. The more plants you have, the better the air quality. Placement is key. Place plants in areas where air circulates the most, like near windows or air vents, to allow them to filter more air. This strategic placement ensures that the plants can effectively clean the air that flows through your home. Care for your plants. Healthy plants are more effective at purifying air. Regular maintenance, such as watering, trimming, and ensuring they are free from pests, will keep your plants in top condition. Regularly dust their leaves and ensure they receive the proper amount of light and water. Dust can block the pores on the leaves, reducing their ability to filter air. Keeping them clean and well lit will maximize their efficiency. Beware of toxicity. Some of these plants can be toxic to pets or children if ingested. It's crucial to research each plant and understand its potential risks. Place toxic plants out of reach or choose non-toxic varieties if you have curious pets or young children. Always research and place them accordingly. Knowledge is power, and understanding your plant's needs and potential hazards will help you create a safe and healthy environment. Integrating these air-purifying plants into your home can make a noticeable difference in your indoor air quality. Not only do they enhance the aesthetic appeal of your space, but they also contribute to a healthier living environment. If you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Don't Do This Guide for more insightful content. Your support helps us create more videos to help you live a better, greener life. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay green and breathe easy. Remember, a little greenery can go a long way in making your home a healthier place.